Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Creative Switch Life. I hope you're doing well. If you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you like this video, then please do give a big thumbs up. Raksha Bandhan is approaching soon, and I got a lot of requests from all of you to create a lookbook or a get ready with me kind of a video. So here I am. This is my first try with get ready with me video. So please do shower me with lots of love. I expect a lot of likes. So if you do like this video, then please do give a lot of likes. Yes, and let's begin the video. I have changed into my black outfit, which I'll be showing you in a little while. For this, I've selected a contrast jewelry to go with it. This also has a golden tinge, so it looks very good. And since this has a boat neckline, I'm wearing a necklace which goes above the neckline, and this looks very neat, and this is how it looks in contrast with the look. And also for the earrings, I have chosen the exact black and gold color. If you wish to, you can skip the necklace if in case you're wearing something that is not matching with your neckline of the dress. You can watch, I have a video which is on the neckline, so you can watch that video. I'll link up the video in this, so you can watch that as well. So this is how the jewelry looks. So now only thing remaining is the hair and the face makeup, so I'll show you in a little while. So since this is a Rakhi look and the makeup, I have kept it very minimal. So for the base makeup, I'm using L'Oreal Paris Infallible Pro Matte. This is in the shade Fresh Beige. It's 107. So this is how this is the pack. This is what I'm using. The powder foundation I'm using as well in this, lightly but not too much, because this MAC foundation will give you like too much of coverage and you don't want your face to look too cakey. So after using the L'Oreal Paris foundation, I just lightly brush this powder just across my face, so that it takes off that little bit of oiliness. Since my skin is very oily, so I prefer to use this one. So next I'm using this blush palette that I have from Swiss Beauty. This is a highlighter also. It has a highlighter also in this. So I just lightly take the blush and just dust it off before I apply anything. So just apply it like that. Since you are applying the foundation, your skin will look very pale. So blush is very necessary, because this is a mistake that we make, that we just apply the foundation and then you start looking like somewhere like a ghost. So suddenly don't do that. Just try to invest in a good blush, and you will see a lot of difference. And if you are if you want to, you can use a bronzer as well to get that the proper structure to your face. But yeah, you can always invest in a good blush. So the highlighter is in this palette itself, so I just take the highlighter, and even you can use your fingers. You can use this to apply under your eyebrow, the brow bone, and just apply it on top of your cheekbones. So this, and on your nose. So this much is enough for your highlighter. So this is how it will look. For the eye makeup, I have just applied the foundation under my eye and around the eye as well. So that also acts like it gives a good coverage to cover your dark circles as well. So that's what I'm using. And I'm using a eyebrow brush. This is the eyebrow brush. It has a comb on one side and a brush on the other. So this is a good investment. It is very quick to shape up your brows and keep those hair in place, the eyebrow hair in place. So just try to invest in such a good brush. The eyeliner, I'm using the Stay Quirky Enigma. This is the eye pencil that I'm using. So this gives a good bold line, and this is how it looks after I've applied it already. The next part is the hair, so I'll show you the hair as well. The hair also I'm going to keep very simple. I'm just going to brush my hair just very softly, very gently. Just brush your hair. What I have done is, I have taken a head bath and I have used my Livon conditioner. This is the conditioner, the Livon conditioner. Just to take out the frizz from the hair, it's needed to use this. And also before you're using any heat, like you're using a blow dry or you're using a straightener, then make sure that you have some sort of a lotion or a heat protectant, so that will protect your hair from any damage or any split ends. Once I have brushed my hair properly, what I will do is I will just take a partition from here and I will just side part it from this side, and this is the rest of the part. So what I'll do is this part of the hair that I have, so I'll just take it into section, make it into section. This part of the hair, I'll just twist it behind. I'll just take it behind neatly. I will twist it and then just push it forward so that it puffs up a little bit, so that it doesn't lay flat. And then I'm going to put a safety up hairpin over here. So I'm adding a hairpin here. So this is what is the hairstyle that I'm keeping. So this is very simple and very quick as well. So since sisters have a lot of work to do on this festival, then this is a good option for hairstyle and it's very quick. So just try it out. I like to apply my lipstick and my mascara at the end. So I've kept it for the last. So this is what I do, because when you're combing your hair, most of the time it happens that either your mascara is smudged or it gets stuck in your lips. So to just avoid that, I use them at the last. So I'll just apply them and I'll be back. So I'm just applying the lipstick now. So once the lipstick is applied, I've already applied the mascara. So this mascara is a very good mascara. It's by L'Oreal Paris. It's called Lash Paradise. So this is a good investment in a mascara if you're looking for one. So just buy this one, so you'll be sorted, because it has a good long brush, and then you can easily apply it. And the good thing about this product, I felt, is like when you apply a mascara, it usually it tends to stick to your eyelid. But then what happened with this, I've never faced that issue afterwards, after I bought this product. So this is a very good mascara. You just try to buy this one. Next, last thing what I do to finish my makeup is I use this dewy finish from Miss Claire. This is the dewy finish spray that I'm using, the makeup fixing spray. So this is what I use at the last. So this gives a nice dewy look. I just fan my face with my hand, and then it just settles in. Give it a couple of minutes and then it will give you a nice dewy look. So this is a very good product if you're using for daytime also. It gives a very nice look. Even if you're going with a BB cream or CC cream, you can use this and it will give you a nice dewy look. So this is the final look. So this, I'm wearing a netted palazzo which I had got from Ajio, and this is a Meesho blouse I had ordered from Meesho. This has a nice gold booty thread work going on in this. It is of an appropriate length sleeves, and it has a zip at the back. This is a very nice quality zip of a good quality. So this is how the look is. This is how the look came out. This is the final look. So I have not added any dupatta to this look. If you wish to, you can always use a black color netted dupatta to go with the look, but I have just skipped it for this modern look. I hope you like it. So this is the final look. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe and do give a big like. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.